Take out the wrap and its accessories. There's a power adapter, a USB cable, and a controller. Connect the power adapter with the controller and then you can use the wrap. If the adapter is broken, you need to find another one and use it with a USB cable. Connect the wrap to a power supply. The light therapy wrap can help expel damp, warm up wound, and lose fat. Fix the wrap around your waist. Set parameters. Press the power button first, and then set the time at 30 minutes. Anise level 0, only limited lights go on and heat can be produced to warm up wound. The brightness of the lights increases from level 1 to level 4, and more heat will be produced accordingly. Better results can be delivered to expel damp and cold, and help lose fat. Choose L3 Anise level. Infrared radiation wavelengths 660 nanometers and 850 nanometers available. The latter has deeper anise penetration. Choose a wavelength based on your needs. Wait for 30 minutes. Please note, taking a shower in 4 to 6 hours is recommended. Keep body warm and do not drink something cold. Do not get a cold. Drink more hot water to keep hydrated and accelerate metabolism. The treatment takes 30 minutes. You can use it every day. In applicable range, those who are in pregnancy or lactation, those with severe diseases such as epilepsy, severe diabetes, hypothyroidism, and malignant tumor, those with heart diseases or who are equipped with pacemaker, those whose incisions have not healed yet and who are being on the road to recovery, those with skin diseases and infectious diseases. Remove the wrap. The end.